Time now for the business day. Despite regulations to formalize the medical ganja industry, ganja growers still can't access basic services like opening a bank account for their business. Now, although the business is recognized as a lucrative one, some ganja producers may not even qualify for production incentives. Andrew Laidley explains.
If you are a farmer, producer, or manufacturer in Jamaica, then you've probably benefited from the Productive Inputs Relief (PIR). It's a system which provides for the duty-free importation of machinery or equipment used during the production process. But only some ganja producers benefit from it.
Yes, the cannabis itself, grown as a plant, wouldn't qualify as an agricultural plant. So it wouldn't be a primary product. Right? They wouldn't qualify. They are now going through some processes now to actually finalize that, to see what the end result is, but they haven't finalized that yet. However, if you're making like oils from the cannabis, then you are able to qualify as a manufacturer.
Technical specialist at Tax Administration Jamaica, Lorna Pierce, believes this should be addressed with urgency.
As I would not know the fact that the law allows the growing, that there could be a question of whether or not it should be allowed. They really need to fix that, because it's either allowed or it's legal or it's not legal.
And while the incentives don't benefit all, ganja growers are being told there's a growing market for their business.
There is actually a cannabis outsourcing company right now who is growing cannabis or growing marijuana for an entity outside of Jamaica. So there are opportunities in telemedicine, there's opportunity in medical billing, and there is opportunity in the productive side of growing cannabis.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To currency trading now, it ended today with the greenback selling for $150.58. The Canadian dollar sold for $122. The pound sterling is going for $208.05, while the euro closed at $181.55. Supreme Ventures has acquired an additional 29% shareholding interest in Post-to-Post Betting Limited. Now, this brings its total shareholding in the company to 80%. The JC Index gained 718 points today, and the junior market inched up 17 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, GMMB Group 7.25%, Trans Jamaica Highway US dollar share, Caribbean Cream, and Salada Foods. On the losing side were Siboney Group, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Margaritaville Turks and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. News from overseas when we come back.